name is Gwen, I'm the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. Today I'm making a gentle and disciplining liquid shampoo, providing strength and shine while facilitating detangling, made for the dry and curly hair of my 12 years old niece. This recipe is quite simple and only requires 2 steps. First one, I already prepare in a bowl for the bain-marie all the ingredients except my preservative and my fragrance oil. Once my preparation is melted, I mix it and let cool almost completely before adding the last 2 ingredients. I mix again and then pour into my bottle. I let you with the video. You can find my recipe and links in the description box. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if you have any question for me. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.